If you ever get in a Volkswagen, I think it's 2022 to 2025, with this kind of key and this kind of interior, and it doesn't start, tells you the key's not detected, here's what you got to do. You get this message that says the key's not detected, then what do? On the older ones, there's a little icon here that says hold the key up against that spot and you can start it. I've been in this vehicle for 25 minutes, searching all over the place, up and down, trying to figure out where to hold this dead key to start this thing. And it's hidden in a spot I never looked. Here's where it is. And no thanks to Avis Rental Cars service. They were terrible. They wanted to tow the car because they have no documentation. They have no idea how to help you. They also suggested that I go walk in the snow in Michigan right now, or grab an Uber to go get a spare battery for this thing. No thank you, Avis. That's y'all's problem, not mine. Here's the center tray. I tried everywhere in here. I tried the cup holder and this thing. I looked under here, held it all over these places. Guess where it is? All the way down there, there's a little key icon. Put your key there with the back facing downwards. Then hit the start button and it should start. There you go. If you're stuck, whether it's your own vehicle or one of these rental cars that these Atlases are starting to pop up more and more of, that's how you start it, with a dead key fob. You're welcome. See you next time.